of linear absolute value equations. So in solving equations with absolute value, we can end up with more than one possible answer. This is because what is in the absolute value can either be negative or positive. So we must account for both possibilities when solving equations. Or we have to consider two possibilities, both the positive and negative. Say, for example, here. What is the value of x when we're given absolute value of x equals 7? So to solve this, we can get rid of the absolute value sign. So x can either be equal to 7 or x equals negative 7. And let's try another example here. Let's say we're given 5 plus absolute value of x equals 8. So how are we going to solve this? We notice that the absolute value here is not alone. So we have to subtract negative 5 from both sides. So that would be 5 plus absolute value equals 8. So minus 5 minus 5. This cancels out. It will be 0. So we are left with absolute value of x equals 3. So x here could either be 3 or x equals negative 3. So you take note that we never combine what is inside the absolute value with what is outside the absolute value. Say, for example, okay, this problem here. Say we're given negative 4 times the absolute value of x equals negative 20. So how are we going to solve that? We don't distribute negative 4 to x here, because x is inside the absolute value symbol. So all we have to do is we divide both sides by negative 4. Okay. That cancels out. So we are left with absolute value of x equals 5. So the value of our x could either be positive 5 or x equals negative 5.